Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, November the 13th. Opening day of gun season here in Virginia. Means we're putting the hounds on the ground, see if we can chase a few deer around. We got, I think 5 or 6 packs of dogs going on the ground this morning. It's nice and cool, overcast. I think they've already seen 1 or 2 deer, so we're getting the hunt lined up. Hopefully we can bring you some action. Anything happens, I'll let you know.
It's about this and this here.
We got a heck of a chase going on, boys. Somebody just shot.
I just shot at a buck coming into the hunt, guys. Coming into the hunt here. Shot at a buck like a 4-pointer or something.
I'll be back. I'm just right down here in the bottom.
Got him, boys. Got him. Got him.
Job.
Not a way to start the hunt off. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, hopefully I got some footage for you there. I was out here on the road on my stand, and some guys came in hunting the property beside us here, and I heard a dog yell out one time in there, bark once, and I heard a deer coming and hit the road here and killed a nice little 6-pointer in there. So that's pretty cool opening day. That's the first opening day during gun season I've killed a deer in a long time, so pretty excited about that. The guy gathered his dogs up and can go and try to jump another one. So stick with me. It's still early. Hopefully we'll get some more action. Check this old boy out here. Man, that buckshot tore him up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Not too bad, a little 6-pointer. I'll take it for opening day. All right, guys, down here checking them out. Nice little 6-pointer here. I'll take him. That buckshot ate him up. I had to have it on him because he was close. So, first day opening buck of gun season I killed in a few years. So it was a split-second decision when he come across that road. You had to have it on him.
Jump right in front of me. I heard the deer get up and take off through there, but never saw it. Man. You stepped right on top of him, dude. I heard it come up through. I mean, dogs are right behind it.
I know.
But I didn't see what it was. It was just one deer, I think. I was up there a little ways, but yeah, I mean, it's good. I mean, you know, if it had been a clear cut, I could have shot for sure. I mean, he.
Oh yeah.
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 Okay, well.
I looked and seen him start angling away. I said, he ain't gonna cross.
Nah. I mean, he was close. I mean, he went 40 yards off his road, probably.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Yeah. As soon as I heard the first dog open up, I could hear him tipping through. But
yeah,
they were right, dude. They were right on him.
Probably 25 yards in front of me.
Yeah, they were right on him. Oh well, man. Well, I guess go out here and try to catch them here soon.
Yeah, let's see what they do.
Yep.
Might catch them coming back to this road.
So we were walking some dogs back up the road here. We were trying to put on a buck and they hit a hot track on the road and we turned them loose. One! One! Behind you, Warren! Behind you! Behind you, Warren! You get her? You get her, Warren?
I'm going to have to go check. She didn't flinch, but I mean, she's 100 yards away from me running.
All right, 10-4, 10-4. Come on down here, Cullen. We'll catch them. I'm assuming that's what they were running. I guess it was a doe. Warren shot at it. I couldn't tell what it was. I saw a deer come across him, bound that away, and he shot at it. But it could have been multiple deer. Looked like doe tracks in the road up there.
Yeah, they were just went by and he was pulling them.
Yeah.
Who knows? I don't know where they came from.
I don't either. Too far, too far. That little deer. Sound like Jeffrey done jumped up there.
We might as well stay here.
That's what I say too.
Let me get over this pile so I can shoot it.
All right. They're setting the woods on fire. All right, guys, I'm just trying to wrap up the day here and give a little recap. It got a little crazy this afternoon with dogs and deer running everywhere, and the weather didn't cooperate. It got really windy. It was hard to hear the dogs running, but overall it was a good opening day for us. I got that 6 or 7 pointer this morning first thing. They shot at a few more deer. I think we ended up killing another buck and a doe on the second hunt. I ended up seeing a really nice buck that we tried to get dogs on, and they never could do anything. I didn't get it on film. It was when I was getting out of the truck to get on my stand this afternoon. Had another doe run close to me that another boy shot that I might have got on film, or shot at, I should say. I don't think he got it. And then I had another small deer. I think it was a small doe or button buck run behind me that some other dogs were running. So overall, a good day. Saw a lot of deer. We're going to be after them again next weekend, and pretty much all Thanksgiving week. So hopefully a lot more good hunting yet to come, and can bring you guys some more action. So y'all stay tuned to the next one.